Welcome to World Uni Guide, where we simplify learning about education, innovation, and technology, making it fun, exciting, and easy to follow. Today, we're diving into two groundbreaking concepts that are shaping the future of our world: blockchain and Web 3.0. If these terms sound new or intimidating, don't worry. I'm here to break them down so they're easy to understand, and I'll show you why they're so important. By the end of this, you'll realize how learning about these technologies can pave the way for a bright, successful, and future-proof career. Let's begin with blockchain. To explain this in simple terms, imagine you're playing a game with a group of friends, and you all want to keep track of everyone's scores. Instead of writing the scores on a single piece of paper that could get lost or tampered with, each of you writes the scores in your own notebook. If someone tries to cheat by changing their score, everyone else will notice because their notes won't match. This is exactly how blockchain works. It's a digital system of recording information that makes it secure, transparent, and nearly impossible to alter. But instead of notebooks, the data is stored across a network of computers, ensuring that no single person or organization has control over it. So, what's the big deal about blockchain? It's not just about keeping scores or storing data. It's a revolutionary technology that's changing the way we think about security and trust. It's the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but it goes far beyond that. For example, in healthcare, blockchain ensures that your medical records are safe and accessible only to authorized personnel. In supply chains, it allows businesses and consumers to track the journey of products, ensuring authenticity and ethical practices. In finance, blockchain is enabling faster, more secure payments without the need for traditional banks, which is especially valuable in regions where banking services are limited. Now let's move on to Web 3.0, which is sometimes called the next generation of the Internet. To understand this, let's quickly revisit how the Internet has evolved over the years. The first version, Web 1.0, was like a giant library where you could only read information. Then came Web 2.0, which is the Internet we know today. It's interactive. You can post, like, share, and connect with others. However, the problem with Web 2.0 is that it's dominated by a few large companies. These companies control most of the apps and websites we use, collect our personal data, and make decisions about how it's used. Web 3.0 is here to change that. Built on blockchain technology, it's a decentralized version of the Internet. Instead of big corporations owning your data, Web 3.0 gives control back to you, the user. You own your personal information and decide how it's shared or used. It also allows developers to create decentralized apps, or dApps, which don't rely on a central server or company to function. These apps are more secure, private, and fair. For example, with Web 3.0, artists and content creators can use NFTs to prove ownership of their work and earn directly from their audience without needing a middleman. So, why is all of this important? Because blockchain and Web 3.0 are solving real-world problems and creating incredible opportunities. Let's look at some examples. In finance, blockchain is helping millions of people who don't have access to traditional banking systems by offering decentralized financial services like lending, borrowing, and investing. In healthcare, it's securing sensitive data like medical records and ensuring they're only accessible to authorized individuals. In supply chains, blockchain allows businesses and consumers to track products from their origin to their destination, ensuring transparency and ethical practices. In creative industries, Web 3.0 is empowering artists, musicians, and writers to monetize their work directly through tools like NFTs, bypassing traditional platforms that take a large cut of their earnings. Now here's the exciting part. Top universities around the world are already researching and teaching these technologies. Institutions like MIT, Stanford, UC Berkeley, and University College London are leading the way. For example, MIT is exploring how blockchain can improve global financial systems, while UC Berkeley's Blockchain Accelerator is helping startups turn their ideas into real-world applications. These universities are offering courses, running research programs, and creating opportunities for students to dive deep into blockchain and Web 3.0. But you don't have to wait for university to start learning. There are so many resources available right now to help you get started. Begin with online courses. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and edX offer beginner-friendly courses, often taught by professors from top universities. These courses will give you a solid foundation in blockchain and Web 3.0. Experiment hands-on, create a digital wallet, explore decentralized apps, or try building your own simple blockchain project. Practical experience is one of the best ways to learn. Join communities. Blockchain and Web 3.0 have thriving online communities where you can connect with like-minded people, join discussions, and even collaborate on projects. Look for meetups, forums, and hackathons to get involved. Stay updated. These technologies are constantly evolving. Follow the latest news, research, and trends to stay ahead of the curve and understand how the landscape is changing. Learning about blockchain and Web 3.0 is not just about understanding cool new technologies, it's about preparing yourself for the future. These fields are creating new jobs, transforming industries, and redefining how we live and work. Whether you want to be a blockchain developer, a Web 3.0 entrepreneur, or simply someone who understands these systems, gaining knowledge in this area will give you a competitive edge. Companies are already looking for talent in these fields, and the demand is only going to grow in the years to come. Blockchain and Web 3.0 are more than just technologies. They represent a shift toward a better, fairer, and more secure digital world. They're opening doors to endless possibilities, and the best part is, you can be part of this transformation. Start learning today, because the future is being built right now, and it needs your ideas, creativity, and passion. Thank you for joining us on World Uni Guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Together, let's shape the future one step at a time. See you in the next video.